Absolutely. We got Lauren Garcia in the black, Adelantez in the tiger stripe. This is combat. So we are going to see some strikes coming up here soon. Both ladies hand fighting. They're definitely fighting for some underhooks right there. I don't think either. And Lauren with a big head and arm attack. And Abby right on the back lands 3 right hands. And Abby with a big slam. She is strong. Lauren Garcia's on bottom. You can see she's trying to tie up Abby's left hand. She's got a little bit of like a false Americana. I don't know if she's going to get the leverage for that one, though. You don't really see, nobody really goes for the legs. They're trying to hurt somebody's ability to move around. It's definitely a factor, for sure. Take away their legs, they can't do much with them. And Abby Montez has Lauren Garcia's right arm trapped and her left arm isolated, and she's hammering palm strikes down. Now, it could be a risky scenario just throwing that many shots. It could tire you out for the later on if you think you. I mean, that is a dangerous position to be in. She's doing a pretty good job of sliding her head to the left and right, Lauren Garcia is, when Montez starts to throw those strikes. Abby is kind of loading up on the shots, which does give you a little time to move, but not much. You don't see Garcia look like she's going to try to wrestle, then more of a position and then throwing those hands. I mean, sometimes, too, you have a game plan going in and those chokes aren't a part of that game plan, right? In the last place you want to try your new radical idea is on the mat, bottom side control. Exactly.